What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the video. So I'm proposing a challenge. Okay, I seen a video online where people were challenging, not car channels, but just people in general were challenging people to spend 10 minutes in a hot car, windows up, everything, and basically you had to survive it or you could tap out, and it was meant to raise awareness for children and animals being left in cars. And I know, especially with my wife, this is something that she's going to feel very big on. So I actually want to challenge her, but I also want to throw out this challenge to anybody who is a car channel. So the entirety of the YouTube pack, Gregory Salvatore, please get out there and promote this challenge. I also want to see the bigger YouTubers do this. I want Street Speed 717 doing this. I want Guitar Mageddon ZL1 doing this. I want large channels doing this as well to show support for this. And let's see, what do we got for time up there on the GoPro? Wow. It's been a minute and I'm already starting to feel really hot. So basically the rules are you have to stay in the car for 10 minutes, unless there's a safety concern. And, you can't have water, which, right here I have my, just in case I have water here that I can drink, if I get really bad. But the window's got to be up, car off, and it is currently 90 degrees out. And you cannot edit the video. It has to be straight through, no cuts. So guess what? If you say something and you stumbled on your words or whatever, guess what? You can't go chopping and splicing. One straight uncut video. So that way everybody knows that you actually did it. Wow. I actually I came out thinking that this was going to be pretty easy, and I'm like, I'm going to feel like an ass because I'll be able to, do the challenge and prove that, it's not that bad. Well, I'm already starting to sweat really hard. Wow, look at my face. I don't know, how much you can see on camera, but look at that. Wow. And I got to keep an eye on that timer, too, which is... Alright, so I'm at 2.5 minutes. Wow. Oh, man. So I don't know what I could say is the worst part about this. Definitely makes you think, I know I have to do this for 10 minutes, but 10 minutes is waiting, and I'm like, oh, come on. Like, I'm sitting here wanting this 10 minutes to hurry up now. Like, I'm actually feeling the heat really good. And this goes to show, an animal, a child, anything, it's a very uncomfortable feeling knowing you have to wait and you can't get out of the car yet. I mean, obviously I have the ability to tap out, but I am dedicating myself to sticking in for the entirety, again, unless I get to the point where it's not safe. If I get dizzy or I'm going to pass out, I got the water, just in case, and, I can easily just open the door up. The air thickens, too, actually. Yeah, it gets really hot in here. Definitely harder to breathe. Basically, right now my general idea is, I know I gotta try to talk to entertain you guys, but I'm thinking if I slow, steady breaths, I can keep my oxygen level up and, not let the heat get to me. Again, I can easily, get out of the car if need be. Temperatures, obviously really wouldn't change, but temperature is still 90 degrees. Outside, I'm sure the inside of the car is a little bit hotter. look at me. Just caked with sweat. Oh, man. You know, that's the thing. In the beginning, it was a lot easier to talk to you guys and do this, but now it's really setting in. Check on the time on the GoPro. I have to have this recorded for that amount of time, and right now we are at, I think it's 5 minutes. Okay, we're just about to turn to 6 minutes. Holy crap, man. Wow. So the real question is, if you saw a child or animal inside of a hot car like this with the windows up, what would you do? You know, what would your course of action be? Oh, man. I'll tell you what. After actually sitting here and doing this, oh, man, I'd fucking bust somebody's windows open. I don't even care. I would bust somebody's fucking windows. Sweat's dripping off into my fucking mouth. Wow. Couple more minutes. What do we got up on the clock? 7.5 minutes so far completed. Oh man, yeah. I literally almost reached for the cup of water. Like just subconsciously, because I'm used to, like, if I'm in the car, I got the cup and I can just kind of drink something, and I'm sitting here, my body feels really thirsty, and I almost almost went and grabbed for it. Gotta remember, I can't drink water. No water. No water, no food. No nothing. I'm wearing a black t-shirt. I'm wearing heavy jean shorts. This is insane. And I really hope on camera that you guys can actually see all of the sweat dripping down my face. Like, this is nuts. Look at that on the glasses. Okay, so I literally showed that clip of my my glasses and the GoPro up here. Let's see if it'll do it again. You probably won't be able to see it on the display, but it literally came up that the temperature was way too hot. And it shut the GoPro off. The GoPro overheated. So, okay. As much as I said no cuts and no editing, apparently you might have to, because the camera couldn't handle the heat. Oh man. But coming up. Oh, this is insane. Alright, well, that camera's back on, so hopefully I'll be able to continue from there, but I'm going to record from both cameras for right now. Oh man. Just in case one shuts off on me again. But I'm definitely feeling lightheaded. Yep, there we go. Can't handle the heat. GoPro Hero 6 couldn't take it. Oh man. Oh, I just literally, like, breathed in and inhaled, and sweat went right up my nose. Ah, very pleasant, very pleasant. And it sucks too, because I was actually keeping track of my time on that. I believe I have 2 more minutes. This is just wild, insane. Guys, make sure that you don't ever leave animals or kids in a car. This is not pleasant. I'm lightheaded, hard to breathe. Honestly, I'm getting a headache. Man, look at me just sweating. So, before I release myself from this, like I said, I actually want to try to challenge my wife to do it. I think it'd be cool to get her to do it, considering how she feels about this topic. Gregory Salvatore, you are the main target on this. The YouTube pack, anybody that has an automotive channel, you know, anybody with a vehicle channel, if you car vlog, anything, even if you don't have a car that's worthy of, you know, whatever, I still want you to get out in your car and I want you to do this challenge. I want to see who can survive 10 minutes. All right. Let's get out of here. Oh man, that air feels so cold after this. Thanks for watching, guys. Spread the word.